friends, it's Teacher Danielle. I made a video this week that consists of a whole bunch of videos and pictures that I've taken in the past 2 months of quarantine. Most of them are of Luna or science projects that I worked on, drawing, coloring, writing, reading, some food that I ate and took photos of. I did a whole bunch of baking, made a lot of brownies and lemon bars and banana bread. So we'll see that in just a minute. But I wanted to take a moment to just tell all of you how much I miss you, and I can't wait to see all of you again when we are all ready for that. And I'm wondering, if you were to make a video of the things that you have done during quarantine since we've been home, what you would have on your video. Maybe some bike riding or some drawing, maybe writing, maybe reading, playing with your toys. Go ahead and let me know. You can email me and tell me what you have been up to during this quarantine. I miss you all. Let me see your purse. Oh.
Oh, I'm so glad.
It's where the English